You were born on October 19th, 2025, under the sun in Libra, on a day that smells of freshly opened balance and the promise of shared beauty. Listen, little one. You arrived with a light that prefers accord over noise, that names things with tact, that measures the harmony of a room with the eyes and carries it to the heart. Under this sun, life isn't conquered by pushing. It is tuned like a string until it finds the true note, the one that lets two people breathe in time. That dawn, the moon changed her dress. She left Virgo, tidy and precise, friend of details, and stepped into Libra like someone opening a window to let in the breeze and the voices of others. It was a gentle turn, from perfect stitches to a shared embrace, as if your inner world learned to move from careful craftsmanship to the art of bonding. In your way of thinking, Mercury in Libra draws bridges. Your mind tests both shores, listens and answers, seeks words that can soothe without losing truth. In love, Venus in Libra makes beauty your compass. The table set with care, the rhythm of two hands searching for each other, the gesture that says more than any speech. Deep inside, Mars in Scorpio tightens a hidden thread. It is not fury, it is intensity. It chooses the true over the comfortable, the depth over the rush. It learns slowly and acts with substance. When you move forward, you go all in, like a diver who touches rock and returns with a pearl between the fingers. Your growth finds a home with Jupiter in Cancer. Luck takes the shape of a kitchen, of bedtime stories, of hands that hold. Generosity comes like warm bread. It is shared, so it will be enough. Saturn in Pisces teaches a discipline of water. It doesn't harden, it contains. It sets railings for imagination, draws limits that protect tenderness so it doesn't spill.
Okay, let's take a quiet moment to feel. Close your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Come back with me.
There is a quicksilver spark in your way of communicating, a gift from Uranus in Gemini. Suddenly you change the subject and open new windows, as if language were a workshop always in invention. Meanwhile, Neptune in Aries lights your dreams with courage, fantasies that don't ask permission, intuitions that take the lead and invite you to break trail. And across the backdrop, Pluto in Aquarius ties you to a generation set on reinventing the common good. Technology, networks, causes, all of it driven by the wish to return dignity to the future. Now let me play with the mirror of birth we call the rising sign, because it changes the way your presence enters a room. If Aries rises, you arrive like a spark that ignites laughter and bravery. If Taurus rises, your calm gives shelter, and your embrace lays down roots. With Gemini, you enter speaking, and everyone wants to follow the thread. With Cancer, your sweetness awakens the memory of home in whomever sees you. With Leo, your step shines and your voice frames the scene. With Virgo, order and service open doors without making a sound. With Libra, your natural elegance lightens the air and eases agreement. With Scorpio, your gaze tells truths others keep and no one forgets. With Sagittarius, you arrive like a journey and a question, a contagion of horizon. With Capricorn, your presence becomes a structure that supports and promises. With Aquarius, a bright, unusual gesture unsettles for the better. With Pisces, a tide of tenderness wraps the room and sets music where there was silence. So, my love, your chart sings in many voices. One seeks balance and conversation. Another longs for depth and meaning. One tends and cooks the world. Another dreams with bravery. All of them ask the same thing of you: make life a place that is livable and true. Deep down, you are someone who turns meeting into home and justice into everyday gesture. Deep down, you are someone who listens deeply, loves beautifully, and dares to go farther when truth calls.